Contributions of Nirmal Kumar Bose, architect of Indian anthropology and Gandhian thought. UGC Net Anthropology. Part 2. Welcome to AnthroNet Academy, a study aligned with the UGC Net Anthropology syllabus. Description box. Please visit the description box for books references. Dear learners, if you find this content helpful, please consider subscribing to AnthroNet Academy. Your support really means a lot and keeps me motivated to create more valuable content for you. About the series. The series will be divided into 10 parts. Each video will focus on one prominent anthropologist with a detailed list of 10 major books they have written, explained with brief descriptions. This series aims to help students, UGC Net aspirants, and anthropology enthusiasts get familiar with the foundational thinkers and texts of our discipline. This is part 2 of the series, and we are beginning with a legendary figure whose work has shaped the field in a profound way. Stay tuned for all 10 parts by the end of the series. You'll have a comprehensive list of 100 authors and their books at your fingertips. Nirmal Kumar Bose. Nirmal Kumar Bose, N.K. Bose, was born in 1901 in Calcutta. He finished his B.D. Sc. Honors in Geology and M.D. Sc. Anthropology from reputed institutions at that time. He also had guidance from S.C. Roy, who kindled his interest to study the tribal communities of Ranchi. During his student and post-student days, he was also actively participating in the Indian independence movement. The British arrested him for participating in the Salt Satyagraha and his association with Gandhi as secretary. He thrived to understand the Indian communities from various theoretical planes, such as diffusionism, functionalism, and historical particularism. Keen observation of his works will reveal that the nationalist who was influenced by the Gandhi lingered in his analysis and seeking pride in the Indian culture and civilization. With great respect for the Indian philosophical thoughts such as sattva, rajas, tamas, dharma, artha, kama, and moksha, he used them in understanding the binding factors of the Indian people. He served as a director of Anthropological Survey of India, ANSI, 1959-64. His meticulous planning and foresight for the organization acted to reformulate the ANSI in particular and the discipline of anthropology in general. He has edited the Man in India Journal since 1951. He also rendered his services as an advisor to the Government of India on tribal affairs. 1. Cultural Anthropology, 1929. Description. One of Bose's earliest works, it introduced Indian readers to the fundamentals of cultural anthropology. It emphasized a holistic and integrative approach to understanding Indian society through both traditional and modern lenses. Significance. Helped lay the foundation of anthropology as a discipline in India. 2. Hindus of India, 1954. Description. This book analyzes the cultural and religious diversity among Hindus in India. Bose studies patterns of regional variation and continuity. Significance. A comprehensive ethnographic account highlighting internal diversity within Hinduism. 3. Peasant Life in India. A Study in Indian Unity and Diversity, 1961. Description. Based on fieldwork across Indian villages, this book explores regional variations in peasant life while highlighting a core cultural unity. Significance. A landmark in Indian rural ethnography and a foundational text in understanding Indian village society. 4. Some Aspects of Caste in Bengal, 1958. Description focuses on the regional peculiarities of the caste system in Bengal and contrasts them with pan-Indian patterns. Significance breaks the stereotype of caste as a uniform institution across India. 5. Culture and Society in India, 1967. Description: a collection of essays that analyze the interplay between cultural patterns and social structures in Indian civilization. Significance: the book reflects Bose's interdisciplinary approach, combining anthropology, sociology, and history. 6. Studies in Gandhianism, 1953. Description: explores Gandhian philosophy, nonviolence, and its socio-political applications in India. Significance: Bose was a close associate of Gandhi and interpreted Gandhian thought from an anthropological perspective. 7. My Days with Gandhi, 1953. Description: a personal and intellectual memoir of Bose's time with Mahatma Gandhi during the last phase of India's freedom struggle. Significance: offers first-hand insights into Gandhi's thoughts and lifestyle from an anthropologist's view. 8. Structure of Hindu Society, 1975. Description: examines the foundational social institutions of Hindu society, such as caste, kinship, and ritual. Significance: a theoretical contribution to understanding the internal logic of Hindu social organization. 9. The Indian Situation, 1949. Description: addresses the socio-political landscape of post-independence India and discusses national integration challenges. Significance: a critical commentary from a cultural anthropologist's point of view on India's early nation-building efforts. 10. Problems of Indian Nationalism, 1961. Description: analyses Indian nationalism from a cultural and historical perspective, emphasizing the need to align nationalism with India's pluralistic society. Significance: important for understanding cultural nationalism as distinct from political nationalism. List of famous books by N.K. Bose. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, AnthroNet Academy, for more insightful content on anthropology. Stay safe and connected.